So this will be our chicken wire station over here, okay? And then I'm gonna get a cement crew going. Okay, so when we do this, I'm gonna mix the cement. Once you guys see how I do it, I might have one of you guys do it too, okay? I'm gonna wear my cowboy mask here. But here's the thing, as soon as I mix it, I'm not joking, we have 2 to 3 minutes to put it on. Much better. I'm gonna give that to you. Oops, I'm getting glue all over there. Okay. Yeah. All right. Do you have a section that you want? I'll let you choose for your table. So I think what would be best is you find your piece that you think works, feel all the edges. If I were to build the glue up and then push it really hard, it's gonna be different level and too much glue. So the glue almost becomes a sculptural element. It's like it's this push and this shove, okay? But I like this idea that everybody just takes a section and they just have fun with it and do whatever they want. So we want them all kind of, rather than, okay? So just be super conscious about that.
I'm a sophomore, and this is kind of a big deal because I feel like a lot of older kids are working on it, and like being able to tile it and like see how it's coming along, like watching it go from just like pieces of foam and wood like grow into this beautiful sculpture has been like really inspiring.
My hope for future student-led projects is that they'll exist, they'll give every student their opportunity to leave a mark on something that might not be permanent but will last for a long time. Give students a school-like supported area to express their artistic talents, their individuality, even if it's just like, just gluing on one of like the million tiles. Like it's leaving like something for when you're gone that will stay here for decades.
Student-led projects would be that they're really created and designed by the students and that they get to be showcased around campus. I know that recently there's been a lot of debate on having murals or art put up around the new buildings and in that area of our campus, and I think that without showcasing these student-led projects, they'll probably die out.